Hi, I'm Chase Thompson-Baugh with SimplyMac.com. We're a Utah-based company with 8 stores in Utah, Idaho, and Wyoming. Today I'm going to show you some quick tips about using the iPad, and I know you're going to love them. So now we're going to show you how you can change the book screen color while using iBooks on the iPad. So the way we're going to do this is through the iBooks application. If you don't have the iBooks application, just go to the App Store and download it for free. When you have an iBook, you can go ahead and tap on it, and it will open up. And again, you can hold this however orientation you would like. Most people prefer the portrait orientation, and it will go ahead and change with you. Now you'll notice that when you're reading an ebook on the iPad, because the backlight can get a little bit strong, sometimes it's a little bit of a strain on the eyes. So Apple has included ways of changing the background to make it a little bit easier. The way you do that is tap on this little A, and if you don't see the A, because maybe it's gone away, just tap your screen one time and it will come up. So here we have a couple of things that can help us. One is a brightness slider that we can use to just brighten or dim the screen. It makes it a little bit easier on the eyes. We can also increase the size of the font if we would like. So you see how that gets bigger. But also we can change fonts. If maybe a certain font is easier on the eyes for you, you see a representation of those there. But one of the big things that we can do is change themes. Now themes are really kind of the colors of the background. Right now you see normal, which is just a white sheet of paper with black writing. We can also put it as a sepia tone, which you see kind of dulls the background and brings that type into a little bit more of a similar color. It makes it a little bit easier to read. But also if you're reading at night, this even sepia might seem very bright. So we're going to switch it to night mode, which will kind of invert everything, so you're reading white on black instead of black on white. This is a much easier way of reading. So you can go ahead and play around with these different schemes of fonts, sizes, and brightnesses, and then also choose a good theme that will work best for you when you're reading. Again, I'm Chase Thompson-Baugh with SimplyMac.com, and we showed you how to change the book screen color using iBooks on the iPad.